OSP was given to man with his heavenly design, that in 1880s, that the revelations were to be made public to all inhabitants of the earth, so that they come to know what is the idea of the Creator in bringing up man on this earth. So, by grand design of the Creator, the book was given through Dr. John B. Newbrough, and it was published, and not much of publicity has been done. Unlike you see other religions where they have gone onto a spree of converting other faiths into their faith and saying that their faith was better than the other faith, which is not what OSP does. Creator's way of doing work over here is very different, very simple. As I have said in the book of the Creator's Kingdom on Earth, what happens, it does not come down from any higher raised it has been done by higher raised angels, because they keep on giving all of us the inspiration. But what has been there are no foundations which go to other countries to spread their religion. The way Jehovah's Kingdom was established on the earth was by a community living together, bringing up children, and those children becoming bigger, and they establish another community. So in a 15, 20, 30 years, if about say 100, 200 communities start growing up and start conducting their own lives in the community life in that particular town or a village, then the word spreads very fast. Everybody sees the peace which is created in this kind of an environment, and people, they see the safety. There are no laws, there are no regulations, and everybody does his might for the community. So this is the idea by which the Creator wants to transform the whole matter of religion, beliefs of people on this earth, as well as its transformation on higher levels. It further goes ahead and says the Creator gives instructions to his high-raised angels who are administering our earth and the heavens of the earth, to keep the gates of heaven open for a season. This has already happened once earlier in America, and it will happen again, that the spirits of the dead shall come down and commune with the mortals, good, evil, wise and foolish. Angels will come and they will communicate with the mortals. Mortal people who are alive will see them and talk to them being face to face. Some of them will be recognized as their own uh, sons and daughters and fathers and mothers, brothers, sisters, etc. The angels will also demonstrate the subtlety of corporeal things and the capacity of one solid to pass through another solid uninjured. We have heard of people who have this kind of a gift, that they would be sitting in one place but they would appear to somebody miles away. So the extrasensory powers are given to some people, and because most of us don't know about it, we cannot logically understand and answer. But when these phenomena becomes widespread, and then we start understanding that there is a spirit world which helps us in ways that we cannot even think about in our physical life. It further goes ahead to say that these spirits and the angels will bring heavy substances from great distances and cast them down in presence of people who are sitting together. And they will see that these things are done, and when the word spreads, a lot of people will start knowing it. So this is not a miracle. It is something which we don't understand and we call it miracle. But in the spirit life and in the angel life, doing these kind of things are that way much simpler. Man shall understand that even as plants, trees, fish and serpent can be controlled by angels, so also can virus and pestilence be carried by angels of darkness to cast mortals to death. This is what we see. I am in the midst of the coronavirus attack which happened in China, and within our own family we have discussed these phenomena happening. And because I have been talking about OSP, and this is a very topical thing that comes up, that earlier what virus was endemic in China at a particular place has started spreading all throughout the world, including South Korea, Iran, and it has even spread into United States. So my understanding of the coronavirus is such that because it has come down to us through the evil spirits in the lower heavens, it is very difficult for us to find a cure for it. And the evil spirits, they have their own kind of sadistic pleasure out of this thing. And as we see the effect on the markets, the stock markets, etc., has been a devastating one. It further goes and says that the administrating gods in the heaven will allow evil spirits and all manner of drujas, vampires, engrafters to come and manifest to mortals, so that they may know that the Creator's revelation of untold matters of earth and heaven. The evil spirits who do these kind of mischiefs to us residents of this earth um, they have been on at the lowest level for years together, maybe hundreds and hundreds of years, and they don't know that there is something higher in life, so they remain at the lowest level, as if we see them, we see all the squatters and people who don't have any high outlook towards life or any ambition by themselves for doing good to others and living a quiet and peaceful life. The Creator further goes ahead and says that the God will allow these mortals, living people who consult the angels with regard to riches, marriage, or for self purpose, for curiosity, or only for fun, or for anything of earthly nature, for sake of their own profit. These people who consult the spirits will prosper only for a season, for a short time, but in the end they will be confronted with folly, wrong things being told by them, and falsehood. And whoever asks these spirits that they want to see some spirit of great people, great men, that man will be deceived by the drujas and the lowest level spirits, because they can appear in any form. And once they appear in a particular form, we have no way to find out as to whether this is a real spirit of that particular person or not, or whether it is a druja or a lowest level. Because for them, communicating is easy and they can easily read our mind, and whatever is in our mind is the kind of thing that they can easily tell us and make a fool out of us. More in the next one. Thank you.